So hello friends, today I'm going to review spin mop and bucket system that I got from Costco Canada for around $40. So this is the product. I have already opened it. So it comes with a spin mop and it comes with three scrubbers here, and I will quickly assemble it, and then I'm going to showcase how effective it is. Now the primary reason that I bought it, that it comes with a spinner. Generally we have seen that when we use a mop, it retains a lot of water and makes the floor kind of very wet. So one of the primary reasons for buying it is that it comes with a complete set, three here, and a spinner, which will ensure that it retains less of water and the floor dries very quickly. So here you go, I have already taken it out and I cannot resist myself in pressing this button, so let me press it. Oh, so this way it goes. So now I'm going to assemble the mop with the rod, and then I'm going to showcase you how it works. So that's the way I open one mop here, and if you see, this is my rod. I have already assembled it, and there's a kind of a triangular section, kind of a suction here. You have to just push it and then it will be all set. So I'm all set, guys. So if you can see, I got this one pine sol from Walmart. You can use this as a clean disinfectant or as a kind of a fragrance when you mop the floor, and you have to just put a few drops of that and push it inside, and then put it inside, and then probably give some spin, and then it should be all set. So I will start the process probably after some time, and then I'm going to conclude my video. So I'm all set now. I have put some water here. So I'm going to wet it up, and I'm going to put my mop inside this one, and now I'm going to see whether how does the swing process work here. Okay. Oh, so all the excess water is coming out. I think probably we need to give 2 or 3 kind of a quick spin here, and see, not even a single drop of water. And let me check it out. Yeah, pretty cool. So it's working pretty fine here. It's quite sturdy. So I hope you guys like my videos. So please do like and subscribe, and look for other videos in my channel. Thank you and keep watching. Bye. Take care.